Hello and welcome to Solutions Review Explores. I'm Jonathan Paula. In this special episode, we'll take a look at VPNs, and more specifically how this increasingly ubiquitous technology applies to endpoint security and business processes. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a secure tunnel between your device and the internet that helps protect your online traffic from snooping, interference, and censorship. In other words, it extends the functionality and security of your private network across public networks. Through a VPN, users can send and receive data across those shared public networks as if their endpoints were directly and securely connected to the private network. VPNs typically feature encryption to ensure only authorized users can access an enterprise's digital assets without fear of interception, and allowing access only after authentication. For example, VPNs allow devices on an open Wi-Fi, like that at an airport or a coffee shop, to operate as if the user were directly connected to an enterprise network, enjoying all of the security benefits therein. As such, this allows businesses to extend their endpoint security and data workflows across a remote workforce and in cloud environments. In fact, this is one of the chief reasons VPNs were originally developed, to allow remote users and branch officers safe access to applications and resources from anywhere on the globe. Also, integrating a VPN solution can ensure data loss protection and endpoint monitoring even on remote machines or mobile phones in bring-your-own-device cultures. Adding VPNs to your business processes and strategies enables you to scale your IT infrastructure while maintaining a constant level of cybersecurity. It can also add another layer to your cloud endpoint security, which is a major sore spot for enterprises of any size. For the enterprise, there are two basic categories of VPNs, each offering different levels of security and integration: remote access VPNs and site-to-site VPNs. The former allows users to connect to private networks and their services remotely, whereas the latter connects entire office networks from remote locations. While both enterprises and consumers can benefit from remote access VPNs, businesses in particular may find site-to-site VPNs a welcome addition to their IT infrastructure. Speaking of consumers though, many VPN programs are targeted to individuals as a privacy and security tool, one that encrypts users' web traffic and masks IP addresses. Although some personal VPNs are sometimes used and even marketed with slightly nefarious abilities, like being able to bypass region-locked websites or block an ISP from monitoring your internet traffic, they are still generally favored by many security-conscious users or companies. To that end, there are plenty of providers available with various features and subscription prices. But if you'd like help beginning your search, we put together a list of VPN programs at solutionsreview.com. Please click the link below to check out this page containing exclusive discounts and special offers on several VPN programs. In the meantime, click or tap the icons on screen to watch some related content or subscribe for future videos. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.